In this video, we will show you how to create a new recipe. Recipes are used in the till, and we will draw them as a button in different colors. At first, we need to create a new recipe. It will be all your meals and beverages you are serving in the restaurant. Click on Main Menu Recipes, New Recipe. Fill up the header and order type, which is significant to printers and stocks. Order type is set up outlets and points. Fill up the portion count. There will be mainly just one portion, but when the meal is cooked in a big amount, you can fill up the items included in the recipe for 10 portions as well. Selling price will be always for one portion. Decide also if the recipe is discountable. Important to immediate sale is to have this recipe active. Choose category and click on Create Recipe. Great! And now you can add the stock items in, or the whole recipe. Recipe can stay without stock items included. In that case, it's very important to set up expense price manually to monitor your food cost.